Don't get scammed again. Here are 3 key points to choose the right roller crusher. I've summarized my 5 years of experience for you. Buying the wrong equipment wastes money and delays the project. I'll explain it all to you today. Point 1. Check the material and process of the roller skin. Only high-hardness alloy roller skins can handle hard materials like granite and iron ore. Ordinary cast iron wears out quickly. Make sure to ask about the heat treatment process, or you'll have to replace it soon. Point 2. Check the motor and transmission stability. Match the power to the production capacity. Don't blindly pursue high power and waste electricity. A solid transmission structure ensures continuous operation without jamming. Point 3. Check the manufacturer's service and spare parts supply. Durability is important, but after-sales service is even more crucial. The availability of roller skins and bearings in case of damage directly affects your production progress. Choose a manufacturer with a complete after-sales system to avoid nobody to care after purchase. Choosing the right roller machine is not about luck, it's about knowing the tricks. Remember these 3 points, and you can avoid 90% of the traps.